Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Joshua Golden, and I am the owner dentist over at West Sunrise Dentistry, which is located in beautiful South Florida. When it comes to dentistry, my primary focus is to motivate, educate, and inspire my patients, my colleagues, and of course, future dentists. So for me to do that, I normally go onto Instagram at The Golden Dentist, and I like to provide entertaining content, but also ensure that it's educational to try to make sure people understand the importance of dentistry. For today, our tip is going to focus on something that is quite often overlooked, and that's team building. We all know, for the most part, patients hate coming to the dentist. So I rather have my patients focus on coming to see my team. I wish this is something that dental school would have taught us a little bit more, but hey, that's what I'm here for today. And I have 3 helpful hints that's going to help you out. And with these tips, I'm pretty sure you're going to see that your team is now going to become more high performing. So tip number 1, communication. Communication is key. When it comes to communicating, I like to make sure that we start off with a very successful morning huddle. So 15 minutes before our first patient is seen, we talk about what's going to go on for our day. We also discuss some of the wins that we had for yesterday and any other things that my team needs to kind of get off their chest. Also, we use what you call walkie-talkies to help us discuss things throughout the office and keep us more organized. The reason we switched to this in-office communication, it was because we were literally running around the office looking for each other and we were missing each other in certain points. And I didn't want that to happen anymore. And I want to ensure that everything ran very smoothly. Also, something that's really important is setting up one-on-one meetings with your team, whether it's at lunchtime or scheduling something with your hygiene team and just having that one-on-one time to discuss whatever the team needs to discuss. I found that very successful with one of my hygienists. I was able to figure out what she needed to ensure that she was successful in the office, and it actually helped with her overall production and any other things that she needed in life. Next, I want us to focus on education. Education is key. I literally want my assistants in my team to understand everything that's involved with dentistry. I like to call that Golden University. I want my team to see what the patient is going to be coming in for before it even happens. This allows us to schedule properly and also ensure that rooms are prepared properly. By educating your team, this allows them also to maximize their performance in their particular roles. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to just sit there and suck spit all day. So by educating your team, that's going to help them grow. And then next thing you know, you might go from having a dental assistant to having a dental associate in the office because you literally trained them up. And then finally, tip number 3, which I think is super important, have fun. A lot of us in the dental field forget about that because we're so high strung on all of the education that we've gotten, we forget to have fun. So when you have your team involved, you want to make sure that your team is having those outings, that you guys are celebrating birthdays and you're doing things to keep everything flowing and smooth. By doing those type of things and playing upbeat music in the office, you're going to see the atmosphere change. And once the atmosphere changes amongst your team, the patients start to notice that. And when the patients start to notice that, word of mouth continues to grow. And next thing you know, you're going to have more patients than you know what to do with. All right. So remember, guys, those 3 tips are: number 1, communication; number 2, education; and then, of course, number 3, have fun. Thank you for having me. And if you want more tips throughout the day, please check out my Instagram at The Golden Dentist. And I hope to see all of you soon. Take care.